Founded in 1931, LBS is the largest independent builders merchant in South Wales. From our 24 outlets, we employ over 330 local expert staff and have a fleet of over 65 vehicles, able to provide you with next day or often same day delivery. Our family consists of 15 builders merchants branches, 8 plumbers merchants, a truss and timber engineering business and timber and plywood distribution business, a civil specialist, a roofing merchant, a home and garden centre, and 10 Middleton kitchen and bathroom showrooms across the whole of South Wales. We really are your one-stop shop from bottom to top. LBS has won numerous industry awards and has been voted the best independent builders merchant in the UK for 4 out of the last 5 years. Whether you are a national contractor, local house builder, tradesman, self-build or DIYer, at LBS we can meet all your building needs from the ground up.